Okay, so this is attempt number 4. I've got my cables together, cables hooked onto the truck, and they're hooked onto the battery wires. Now I'm going to do a stupid thing here, just make sure I'm getting power, and put you guys, I don't know where I'll put you. Oh, my pocket maybe. Sorry for the bad camera work. I'm on my phone. Oh, hey, I'm not getting power. So, that means my connection either there or there is bad, which is one place to start. So I'm going to try cleaning up the teeth ends on those yellow jumper cables because they are a bit rusty, and see if that helps. Stay tuned for part 5.